Bradley's getting the dead bird out of the yard. Poor Maggie eats it. Maggie! No bird food, Maggie. How did that go, sir?
It was, simple enough.
How do you feel having done this?
It was a solid experience.
Do you feel any any strong emotions? I understand sometimes it can stir up. Oh God, I just heard it hit. I heard it hit beside the trash can. It's gross. You have any feeling of remorse or nausea, sneezing, bird flu type symptoms? Perhaps you should wash your hands. Or are you good?
You know, never actually touched the bird, or really, at all. I think it's pretty safe. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, I mean, I guess. You already touched your mouth, so.
How long is this gonna be?
As long as it needs to be. The press doesn't sleep or stop recording.
You're not allowed to put this on any publication, I'm afraid.
Why not?
Because I'm wanted by the FBI.
That's not true, is it, sir?
Depends on who you ask.
Can I please get on the record that it is okay for this to be publicly
No, I'm
posted?
afraid not, sir.
Why is that?
I don't want PETA coming after me thinking I had anything to do with the bird's death. Sorry, I just can't allow it on video.
I understand, but I will personally vouch that there was just a dead bird on its back in the. They just threw a bottle in the yard.
Oh, it was pretty obvious that it was a dead bird, wasn't it, sir?
Well, yes, but there was no. We don't know why it died. It's just a dead bird. So when I post this on Facebook, that's okay?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
I don't want to be on Facebook in a video.
Really?
Huh?
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Fair enough.
Sorry, Pete.
Can I save it for my own, just personal archive records?
Archive records? That
Like-
seems a little sketchy.
No, like upload it to my own YouTube thing and then. No, like I won't share it. I'll just have it on my, because I can't get it off my phone otherwise.
I don't know if that messy. It should be destroyed. Maggie, leave it.
Hey!
Are you eating rocks? What the fuck are you eating? Leave it. Maggie. What the fuck?